Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dodge Challenger. The journey begins with a design that honors its iconic muscle car heritage while integrating modern aerodynamic principles. Engineers carefully select materials like high-strength steel and aluminum for the body, ensuring both durability and performance. The entire process relies heavily on advanced robotics, which perform intricate tasks with incredible precision, laying the foundation for a high-quality vehicle. The manufacturing process starts with large rolls of sheet metal, which are fed into powerful stamping presses. These machines precisely shape the metal into individual body panels like doors, hoods, and fenders. Next, automated robots take over, welding these stamped parts together to create the Challenger's strong, unibody frame. Throughout this stage, sophisticated measuring machines conduct rigorous quality checks, ensuring every dimension meets exact specifications. After the body is assembled, robots apply specialized sealants to all joints, preventing corrosion and enhancing structural integrity. The vehicle then moves to the paint shop, where it undergoes thorough cleaning, priming, and multiple coats of paint, including a clear coat for gloss and protection. Simultaneously, powerful engines such as the 6.2-liter Hemi V8 are meticulously assembled and prepared for installation, ready to power the muscle car. The final assembly stage brings everything together. Workers install the interior, including seats and advanced infotainment systems, along with complex wiring harnesses and exterior elements like headlights and bumpers. Once complete, every Challenger undergoes rigorous quality control, including extensive road tests to verify performance and safety standards. A final cleaning and detailing prepare it for shipment. For more great deals and the link to Darn Tough Socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.